Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very amazing course, and it's a course of Shikanji and Thandai. So in this course I will teach you how to make Shikanji Masala and Thandai Masala, and then I will show you how to make such a delicious drink using these masalas. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is Paan Thandai. In this course, I will teach you Thandai Masala. So if you are planning to sell this Thandai Masala, even you can do that. Then this is Shikanji. It's a plain Shikanji. First, I will teach you how to make this Shikanji Masala. Even you can sell this Shikanji Masala in market. Then this is watermelon Shikanji. So beside this course, we have so many courses like thick shake, milkshake premix we have. Then we have Faluda course, ice cream courses, Gola courses, so many summer special courses are there. Then this is orange Shikanji. Now this only you can make your own Thandai Masala and make variety of Thandai at home. Now there is no need to buy so much costly Thandai Masala from market. And this is our Gulkand Thandai. Then this is pineapple Shikanji. So in this Shikanji I have used fresh pineapple juice, but I will show you how to even make same Shikanji in ready-made juice also. This is chocolate Thandai. This is mint Shikanji and it's so refreshing. We have lakhs of students from India and all over the world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link, okay? And even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all product in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. We have lakhs of students from India and all over the world who joined our online class and started their career in this line. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. Now let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. And when you join our online course, you will get recipe PDF, then full class video for lifetime access, then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubts, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Sheila Verma and second is Priyanka Nerkar. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online class by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.